Good morning students, this is Junita Mukherjee from SS Public School. Today we are going to talk about the practicals, activities and the projects of your class 11th standard physics. So today I will tell you about the project which you have to make. Okay, in the project, okay, in the project what we have to make. Project is any kind of particular project which is already given in your book itself. Suppose magnetism is the topic and you have to you have written about magnets. So that will be a main project for you, okay? Or it may be semiconductor devices, or it may be related to your fluids chapter, okay? That is thermal properties of matter or mechanical properties of fluids, okay? So what all things you have explained in that particular topic, it depends on your particular project itself. So any kind of project which you have taken, make it proper and file it, and don't use any kind of handwritten projects. You have to photostate the project, and you have to type it along with your not along with your file. You have to make a typed project in this 11th standard. Okay, the project should be typed, not handwritten. Not handwritten. Not handwritten. Okay. So project you have got an idea regarding that. In a separate file, you have to spiral kind of file, a transparent file is needed for your project. Transparent file. Okay. In that you can write your name, your board name, roll number, everything. Then comes practical. Practical, what all practicals we have done, please note it down in your practical file notebook, which I have already told you to make it, and section wise you have to mention it. In section A, how many practicals you have done? Section A, how many practicals you have done? Make it in a index. And then section B, how many practicals you have done? Make it in the index. Okay. So this is how you have to make the section A and section B practicals. Depending on how many practicals I have made you to do in section A and section B itself. Okay. Then we will have to come to the activity part. In the activity, you have to mention at least 5 activities. Okay. So any 2 practical activity you can take. Total we have to mention only 5 activities. So here we have I have tabulated some activities for you. So start writing this practical activity in your copy. Activity number 1. Okay, activity number 1 is to make a paper scale of given least count example 0.2 centimeters and 0.5 centimeter. This is first activity. Second activity is activity number 3 it is, but you have to write it as 2 itself. To plot, this is in section A, okay, to plot a graph for a given set of data with proper choice of scales and error bars. This is activity number 3, okay. And then you have to go for activity number 3, which is activity number 5, to study the variation in range of a projectile projectile with angle of projection. Angle of projection. This is activity number 3. All the 3 activities in section number 8. Okay, section 8. So for the activity file, you need to make a separate file for this. So 3 separate files you have to make, one for project, one for practical, and one for activity. Activity you have to write down section A, practical is activity like this, and then again section B, practicals. So section B, practicals, how many section B practicals are there? Let's see. Section A is also to be completed. Section B. In section B, activity number 1, to observe change of state and plot a cooling curve for molten wax. Okay, so this is the activity number 1 you have to take. Then activity number 5. This is activity number 2 itself for section B, to study the factor affecting the rate of loss of heat of a liquid. So these are the 5 activities. You need to note it down in your copy. So all these are the 5 activities which I have told you to note it down. Kindly note it down in your copies selectively. And all the details are there in the practicals. The number which you are not getting, try to make it from the graph itself. Suppose a graph contains, there is a graph, okay. Measurements are given in this side and the table is not filled up. So by taking the table from the graph itself, you can plot the table. You can get the number itself from the graph itself. Okay, so make it properly, and if you have any problem, you can ask me from your in the WhatsApp number if you have any problem regarding the section A and section B activities. So please go through it and try to complete it by the end of this particular month. So today is 19th and I want to make you more clear or get it properly done till 31st of January, and on 1st of January I will be taking 1st or 3rd of January, 3rd to 5th of January I will be taking up your files and checking it and then giving it back to you. Okay, so please go for section of A and section B activities, practical, and your project file. Okay, project file, any of the topic you can mention. You can take your own topic. It's not necessarily that I should give you a topic regarding that. So take any topic and please go through this particular topic in very proper manner and paste out some pictures, some important things related to the topic itself. Thank you, students.